This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 9th, 2023. It's currently February 2nd, 2023, 9:52 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a U-shaped dip, so like two peaks with like a U-shaped dip in between. Behavior around the highest high, so out of a decline, there's a move from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range. It looks like this is like the days range because we have the high and the low within close time proximity to each other. So probably out of a decline into the low, there's a big move to reach the high. And matter of fact, it looks like we probably... Wow, this is a pretty wild day. Because it looks like we have two lows and two highs. Like we probably go high to low again, is my sense. But we'll take a closer look. I'm advised to trade around the rally into key resistance. Followed by a decline from that resistance level with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. And it looks like overall we have pretty significant bearish volume overall. In the pre-market, there's an important trough or low that will stand out on a one day. Not necessarily a lowest low, but an important trough there. And then it looks like we have right around the open, there's a move higher through resistance. We stay above resistance briefly, and then we break back down through that price level with a full retracement to the price level where that move higher started. So it's like a capital A in the English language, with the price level being like the line that goes through the upside down V. In the first half hour, there's sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline, and it looks like we have one peak here around $9.45, $9.50 maybe, and then we have. So we hit a key resistance level somewhere between 10 and 11, probably closer to 10 than 11, but somewhere between 10 and 11. We hit a key resistance level there. We break through it momentarily, it looks like, and then we decline from that resistance level. It's a crest that we sell down to and through support level. There's an important trough here for the month as well when we look at the 1 month overview. Important trough indicated here. And it looks like probably that's midday here. What you doing, buddy? Are you eating the tissue paper? So decline from that crest or peak into like an important trough right there. It like looks like maybe just before noon or somewhere between like 11:30 and noon, and then there's this move to the upside right around 12 o'clock in a period of volatility. It looks like we probably poke through a key resistance level there. So that U-shaped dip takes place in like the first half of the day, right? We have the first peak there and then the first peak there, and then there's a notable decline to like another low there, followed by a big move higher around noon. And then that big move higher is like at the very beginning of a period of volatility, but there's like a poke through a key resistance level there, and then volatility with a sharp drop that'll stand out, and then probably another one or two pokes through that same price level between 1 and 2 o'clock with another like crest there closer to 2, and that's followed by a notable decline on a one-day chart, and then a big move, almost irrational move to the upside out of that decline, reaching for a distant resistance level and creating a trade opportunity. Right around the close, there's a decline that offers an opportunity to open up a long position, and it looks like we probably poke through that price level again. There's a price level that we're going to poke through roughly 3 times on like on a multi-day chart kind of scale. It looks like we poked through it twice here midday, and then at the end of the day, and then once early in the day on the 10th. But in any case, there's just a revisiting of a support level in the post market in the midst of some sideways rotation with a sharp dip in that period of sideways rotation. And we have high and low correlators here at the end of the day, guys, so be careful for those price swings. It looks like we open much higher, like above the upper end of a range here for the 10th. And that's the S&P 500 for March 9th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. If you plan to continue profiting from this information, you must follow the rule of karma. Not when it seems like a good time. Every time you make money, you must, it's a practice, right? There's one day of reality. It's a fractal. We continue onward, perpetuating that which we've done in this day, onward through infinity with slight variations. So to make sure that you do what needs to be done, you must do it every single day or every single time, my friends. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100,000. It's the mentality that matters. And with that, my friends, I'll see you guys on the next one.